So Android has released Android 12 beta 2 right here. So when you check on the screen right here, you're gonna see SPB2, which is Android 12 beta 2. When I scroll down like this to my control center, and then we check out right here, we're gonna see SPB1, which is Android 12 beta 1. So this is Android 12 beta 2, and it came with an update size of 322 megabytes from my Google Pixel 3 XL. So if you are having a Google Pixel phone or any supported device, you can just install this Android 12 beta 2 right here. And I'm going to leave a video in my description. If this is your first time you are seeing this and you want to install this Android 12 on your device, you can just try it out. But I wouldn't really advise, because there's just a beta version of this Android and it's not really working well. It has a lot of bugs, which is really gonna disturb your phone, because in the beta 1 my phone was overheating and my battery was running out very quickly. So I hope this bug is being fixed now in this beta, and I'm just waiting for this to get installed, and when it's done I'll just look through and then check the changes which Android has brought to us, and I'm gonna make a new video of it and then bring it to you guys. So if this was helpful, just give it a thumbs up. If this is your first time coming to my channel, just subscribe to the channel, because I upload tech videos, how-to videos, and then app reviews, and there's a new series that is coming to this channel. So stick around so that you don't miss anything, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video. Peace.